This is where India's money begins. Check the batch codes for the Mumbai consignment.
Yes, A4 clearly matches the manifest.
Roller alignment confirmed on press 3.
Status is green across the board.
Ready for synchronization.
Millions of notes follow the same path.
Every note is checked before it moves on. Real money starts with cotton. This is where cotton becomes pulp.
The paper is built, not printed.
Security is created inside the paper.
The color grading on the 500 is quite striking.
It certainly distinguishes it from the lower denominations.
Every color tells a story. Higher value brings finer detail. Precision increases with value. Color is part of security.
You can see the difference.
High value demands control.
Measurements confirmed for the 10 rupee note. It passes.
Same for the 500. The size is within tolerance.
We need to verify the consistency of the security threads under the white light.
The alignment on the 50 rupee note looks good.
The thread changes with the light.
Check the reflectivity reading right here. It's borderline.
I see it. Let's isolate that note for manual review.
Wide-angle view of infrared scanners analyzing ink absorption. Invisible patterns appear on digital displays.
Details this small stop counterfeits.
Imperfect notes never circulate.
All documents verified for batch 7.
Matches the manifest, sir. We are clear.
All right, begin the transfer. All documents verified for batch 7.
Matches the manifest, sir. We are clear.
All right, begin the transfer.
Every bundle is accounted for.
Temperature steady at 18.
Humidity holding at 50%. All logs confirmed.
Verify the manifest against the crates.
Seal intact on crate 12. Proceed to counting.
Demand decides the mix.
Confirms the final count for shipment 4B.
Received and loaded.
Ensure the ATM bundles are double counted before wrapping.
Yes, and verify the manifest against the shipment total.